Hello fellow MidJourney AI lovers. I know most of us have heard of SREF codes, but do you know that you can also use them for coloring books and pages? SREF codes are numbers you add to the end of your prompt in MidJourney to get a specific style of art. The art style used for coloring pages is known as line art. While it seems easy to create, it's very hard for AI to replicate it because of the minimalist style. That's why in this video, I've put together some of the best SREF codes that creates really good line art illustrations for coloring pages. Let's get started with Dreamy Portraits 190280062, Bold Realistic Sketch 2422, Detailed Artistic Sketch 2455, Abstract Core 2417, Pencil Sketch 355-835-4128, Realistic Sketch 3067446668, Whimsical Drawing 413299073, Wavy Sketch 22721824040, Grayscale Whimsy 38925422136, Realistic Cartoon Sketch 355-208-2674, Grayscale Fantasy 2494, Anime Line Art 2497, Vintage Line Art 441822729, Fairy Tale Line Art 2430, Manga Art 653, Detailed Minimalist 252-316-7291. So those are the best SREF codes I found for creating coloring pages in MidJourney. If you like this video, please share it with others. Thanks for watching and bye.